YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Say hi, Ziva. Hi, Ziva. Say hi. Anyways, this is my rescue parrot, my Jende Conure. And her name is Ziva. She's 7 years old. And we're still working with her. I love her enough. This is Emerald. Emerald. Yeah, hi, baby. Come here. Step up. Step up. Thank you. Alright, so I just recently made some bird chop and I wanted to show you guys. So this has no added sugar. This has no sugar. No sugar items, just all items that have no sugar. So what I have here is cabbage, red cabbage, kale, red kale, carrots, English cucumber, 1 beet, 1 orange beet, 1 red beet, and that is, and then we mixed it all together. I also added, after I mixed that together, I added snow peas, and I also added Brussels sprouts. Do you love it? Emerald loves it. Are you having some good chunks? Okay, and so after I get it all mixed up, which that's what I've done now, got it all mixed up, I'm going to baggie it, write the date on it, and stick all of my baggies in the freezer. And then in the morning, around early in the morning when I have to get up and go to work, but around an hour before I feed them, I take the bag out, and it will be defrosted. By the time you need to go feed them, it should be defrosted. And it's easy to keep. It stays good and it stays fresh. Come on, step up. And this is Tilly. She's still learning how to perch. Alright, Tilly. Step up. Alright, thanks for watching. Say bye, Emerald. Bye, Ziva. Bye, Emerald. Say bye. Bye. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't pushed the like button, please push the like button. Thank you. Yeah.